How to add or remove exclusions from Microsoft Defender in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open search bar at the bottom and search Windows Security. Click on it. It will lead you to this page. Here, click on Virus and Threat Protection. After you've selected that, scroll down in here and click on Manage Settings in Virus and Threat Protection Settings. After you've clicked on Manage Settings, scroll down and you will find Exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Now, in here, to add, click on Add an Exclusion and add as your file folder type. And if you want to remove, you'll find all the exclusions at the bottom. Click on it and press on Remove. And after that, it will be removed. This is how to add or remove exclusions from Microsoft Defender in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.